Third year English, lecture number 59. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Third year class. How are you all students? Dear students, I say welcome to all of you in my class. And let's start our today's lecture. And beta, we will go to the end of this short story today, inshallah. And beta, we shall see what was the ending of the story. And beta, what do you think? What would be the ending? Do you have any idea? Okay, beta, let's see what happens. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in company with the town councillors. As they passed the column, he looked up at the statue. "Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks," he said. Okay, beta. Early the next morning, beta, the very night when the little swallow he died, and the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square. The mayor of the city, beta, he was walking in the square. Square mean जो बेटा उसको चौक को कहते हैं, ठीक है, where the four roads are passed, जहाँ से चार सड़कें गुजरती हैं, and it is called square. So was walking in the square below in company with the town councillors. बेटा town councillors की company में he was walking in the square, and when they saw, as they passed the column mean the place where the statue of the happy prince was placed. बेटा जहाँ से वो happy prince का statue लगा हुआ था, वहाँ से जब वो गुजरे, he looked up at the statue. So he happened to look at the statue. "Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks." Shabby mean ugly. कितना बदसूरत नजर आ रही है happy prince, he said. "How shabby indeed," cried the town councillors, who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. ओके बेटा, टाउन काउंसलर्स जो बेटा वो हमेशा जो है वो उसकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाते थे मेयर की. एंड व्हेन ही सेड दैट द स्टैचू ऑफ द हैप्पी प्रिंस वाज लुकिंग शैबी, सो दे आल्सो एग्रीड विद हिम एंड दे सेड हाउ शैबी इंडीड, वाकई कितना अगली नज़र आ रहा है ना. सो cried the town councillors who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. और उसको देखते हुए आगे चले गए. "The ruby has fallen out of his sword, his eyes are gone, and he is golden no longer," said the mayor. "In fact, he is little better than a beggar." So he said that the ruby and all his gold is gone, and his sword, there is nothing in his eyes as well, and he is looking inferior than to a beggar. Mean to say कि a beggar is better than the statue of the happy prince. कि एक जो फकीर है वो भी इस स्टैचू से ज़्यादा बेहतर है. So how pathetic it was, बेटा. They could not know the inward beauty that is more superior than to outward beauty. ठीक है बेटा. So little better than a beggar, said the town councillors, and there is actually a dead body at his feet, continued the mayor. "We must really issue a proclamation that birds are not to be allowed to die here." And the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. Beta, when they saw that there was a bird who was lying dead in the feet of the statue, so they said that they would issue a proclamation, they would announce this, that the birds are not allowed to die here. So beta, how pathetic their thinking was. Even they wanted to control the birds as well, but their condition is so miserable that they were not looking on the misery and the poverty and the ugliness that were spreading around them. That was that ugliness that they had kept in their hearts. And the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. बेटा उसने suggestion जो है वो उसने सारी note down कर लें. So they pulled down the statue of the happy prince, as he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, said the art professor at the university. Okay बेटा, so they pulled down mean उन्होंने गिरा दिया उसका statue, because he was no longer the piece of beauty, because they just following the outward beauty, but they were so blind that they were not able to see the beauty that the happy prince, the statue of the happy prince, had in his heart. So then they melted the statue in a furnace, and the mayor held a meeting of the corporation to decide what was to be done with the matter. "We must have another statue, of course," he said, "and it shall be a statue of myself." No beta, they started quarreling and the mayor said that we would make a new statue, and this time the statue would be kept on the column. It would be mine, कि अब मेरा statue जो है वो column पे लगेगा. Of myself, said each of town councillors, and they called. When I last heard of them, they were calling still. यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी बेटा ही इज टेलिंग स्टोरी ना कि कहते कि जब मैंने उनको लास्ट टाइम देखा, दे वर स्टिल कॉलिंग एंड एवरीबडी वॉज क्लेमिंग दैट हिज स्टैचू वुड बी placed, would be pasted on the column in the city. What strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. ओके बेटा, फाउंड्री में वो मिल जहाँ पे वो कारखाने में काम कर रहे थे, सो द ओवरसीयर ऑफ द वर्कमैन जहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे उसमें से बेटा एक में से किसी ने देखा कि व्हाट अ स्ट्रेंज थिंग, ये कितनी स्ट्रेंज चीज़ है ना. दिस ब्रोकन एंड हार्ट विल नॉट मेल्ट इन द फर्नेस. ये तो फर्नेस में बिल्कुल नहीं पिघलेगा ना. वी मस्ट थ्रो इट अवे. सो दे थ्रू इट ऑन अ डस्ट हीप वेयर द डेड स्वेलो वाज lying. Oh my God. So बेटा, what did they do with that pure heart? With the heart of the happy prince that was full with the feelings for the poor of the society, and his heart was so kind and pure that it wasn't able to be melted in the furnace. So we must throw it away. और बेटा उन्होंने क्या किया? So they threw it on a dust heap. उन्होंने dust heap पे उसको फेंक दिया, एक कूड़ेदान के ऊपर फेंक दिया, कूड़े के ढेर पे फेंक दिया बेटा. Where the dead swallow was also lying, जहाँ पे जो swallow था, his dead body was also lying there. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels, and the angel brought him the leaden heart and the dead bird. So it was, as you know that beta, this is imaginary story. So Oscar Wilde said that even then God, he ordered his angels to bring him the most beautiful and the most precious things in the city. So what did the angel brought beta? They brought the heart of the statue and the dead bird, because they were the most pure and precious things that the city had. Okay, you have rightly chosen, said God, for in my garden of paradise this little bird shall sing forevermore, and in my city of gold the happy prince shall praise me. कहते कि तुमने बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें चूज़ की हैं, क्योंकि मेरे पैराडाइज में ये जो बर्ड है, इट विल सिंग फॉर एवर, एंड इन माई सिटी ऑफ गोल्ड द हैप्पी प्रिंस ही शैल प्रेज मी, वो हमेशा मेरी तारीफ़ करेगा. सो इट्स मीन दैट बेटा दे वर हाईली रिवॉर्डेड बाय अल्लाह ऑलमाइटी एज वेल. इफ़ वी डोंट लुक एट दिस दैट दे हैव, that this is an imaginary tale, and beta what the idea that we get from this story, that virtue is always rewarded. If not in this world, it would definitely be rewarded in the world hereafter. So beta कोई भी काम नेकी का ये मत समझ के करें that you will be paid its reward. Just try to minimize the miseries, the worries and the poverty of the people that are in your surrounding. So beta, it would bring a reward for you that would not last anymore, and you will be paid in the world hereafter for that virtue that you had done in the world, in the temporary world. So beta, be kind and have a kind heart for the people of your surrounding. So beta, this was the lesson of the story, and Oscar Wilde, he was successful in bringing this moral lesson in front of his readers through this fairy tale. I hope beta you have got inspired by the characters of the Happy Prince and Little Swallow like me as well. Okay beta, inshallah we have ended the story, and inshallah in the next lecture we shall start something else. And beta, I hope that you have well understood, and if you find any problem, any difficulty beta, you may ask me, and inshallah I will try to solve all your problems. And till next lecture beta, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.